Hey guys, so in today's video I am eating honey glazed gammon. I have also got honey roasted parsnips. I have some stuffing balls. We have some new potatoes in butter. We have some sweet caramelized carrots and some sprouts, some Brussels sprouts. I am starving. This is so this dinner is a Christmas inspired dinner because obviously Christmas is here. Well, it's been, I think. Oh, I also have some gravy. So let's do the honours. I don't like too much gravy, so oh, that looks amazing. So I am very excited to get into this. Chris made this. I also have a juice monster. I wanted something different. I haven't tried this before. It's just juice, I think. I don't think it's fizzy. Let's try it. Oh, it is. Oh my god, that's amazing. Oh wow. It tastes like lilt. Have you ever had lilt? And I'll show you it. I actually got it because of the bottle. It was so pretty. Also, I have got new nails. I've had my nails done again. I love them. What do we think, guys? Please focus. They're absolutely gorgeous. So they're French tips, but they're not the traditional French tips. They're like a V because my nails are mountain peaks, they're called, like claws. And I've dipped them in some silver glitter. Oh, they're just beautiful, aren't they? So I'm going to actually just get into it. Get my mayo out. I'm so hungry. Oh, this is amazing. So thank you, Chris, for this amazing food. Oh, sprouts. Let me sprout. Oh, the salivation. I'm so excited. Parsnips are gorgeous. So this is our kind of I'm not even giving you a bite, guys. I'm gonna give you some gammon. I never really use a fork, but look at this gammon, guys. It's beautiful. Dripping everywhere. Oh my god. So this gammon is it's like, what is it? It's oak. Oh, it's maple. It's maple. Gammon. These potatoes are amazing. Oh no. Guys. Just remember something. I've forgotten the salt for this, and also there's a treat. 1 second, guys. What I wanted to try is something I forgot to try in my other video. Do you remember these pepperoncini? I want you to try them with you. I'm not sure if I'm going to like them because I don't really like tuna, guys. I forgot to try them in the other video. Let's have one. Horrific. Horrific. I hate them. Sorry, guys. Ooh, that's horrible. That is rancid. Sorry, guys. I don't like tuna like that. Anyway, I thought they'd be nice, but no. So, I have some coarse sea salt for the potatoes. I love a bit of sea salt and potatoes. Oh my god. Mmm. Mmm. So good, guys. Plate is like moving. Would you like a stuffing ball? Stuffing balls are just honestly the best. Yum. Mmm. So I really like gammon at Christmas. Mm. This is amazing. Mm. Why is this not, like, it's just not working right, this plate for some reason today. Who likes mayo on potatoes? Can't be the only one. This gammon is amazing, guys. Yum, yum, yum. I'm not eating it all day. So I've been out shopping today. What is happening to me today? I'm just throwing the food everywhere. So this, you might find this a bit funny actually, guys. But God, those carrots are amazing. Butter and sugar. Cooked until it kind of soaks up all the juice. I mean, look at that. It's gorgeous, guys. Oh my god, it's happening. Mmm. Wow. I'm surrounded in presents, guys. Still. So yeah, I think there's some sort of national shortage on silver skin pickled onions. I love pickled onions, I really do. And well, I want to get some for New Year's Day. Went everywhere. Everywhere. They have the normal ones everywhere. It's so good. But nowhere to be seen are the sweet silver skin ones. I thought there was some sort of national, what do you call it? Shortage or something. So let me know, guys, where I can get some sweet pickled onions. I mean, I went everywhere, like asking everyone, like a mad person. Oh god, it's so difficult. Oh my god, stuffing is just the best. Mm. Mm. So yeah, I had my nails done today. I really like the place where I get my nails done, but like, do you know when you have like, I don't know if it's just the people where I live, but when you have like a vision of what you want, the nail person tells you something different. It's like you almost feel obligated to do what she says. I was going to do like, the nails were just going to be, you know, like a dip, but should I think it looked better if it was like a V? So she's right, because it's like elongated my nails. But I don't know, I suppose they are for the professionals, but it's like, what is going on here? This gravy is amazing. Spilling it everywhere. So what have you had for Christmas Day and Boxing Day? We're going to have a porchetta for New Year's Day. Pork and pancetta mix. I'm really excited for that. Getting full. But yeah, not really watched much Christmas Day. Have you watched any like Christmas films this year? We didn't even have the telly on Christmas Day, really. We're just like enjoying each other's company, which is really nice. Like, I think people forget to do that. There's also so good. I could just drink like 10 of those. There's also a some sort of like something going on with YouTube at the minute. So I've been seeing on Twitter a lot of people are complaining that they're losing subs. That on the YouTube app, there's more subs than there is in the Creator Studio app. You might not know if you're not a YouTuber what that means, but it's happened to me, guys. I think it's definitely a bug. I've spoken to YouTube. What you see on the page, you know, I've got 10,100 is the actual correct amount. But there's some sort of bug going around that's like deleting subs, unmonetizing videos. What else is there? There is false copyright strikes have been given to channels, not from people, from actual YouTube. And I just think, do you know what? It's Christmas. It's the Christmas period. Be able to enjoy all this like stress, and I don't care what anyone says, but things that happen like this happen. Fuck! I want to speak, please. Thank you. Right. Stuff like this that happens to us, it discredits our work, guys, because we put so much hard work into it. You know, they need to step the game up. I've messaged them about this. Oh, we'll get back to you. We'll do this. We'll do that. Well, no, like, sort it out. We want answers. We are, you know, this is a job. And if we, you know, if we work in an office, this wouldn't really be acceptable behaviour. You know, it wouldn't be allowed. But because it's YouTube, because there is no management, because there is no, you know, we basically have our hands tied. It's not fair. I ain't really full now, guys. It's not fair at all. I don't like it. Just play. Let's go with it. I just don't know. Not good. I don't want this to end. I'm so thirsty, guys. Mango loco. Yummy. I'm full now. So yeah, you know, I just want to thank you all for you know, having my back, because I think at Christmas, I've had the most amazing Christmas. This has been one of the best Christmases. Sometimes I feel quite sad at Christmas. Like, do you get like that? Like, don't feel like, I don't like seeing other people like with all their trees and stuff. And I don't know what it is. I think it comes from like being really depressed in the past. But it makes me feel sad. It's weird. Like, some people just don't get Christmas, do they? Like, I don't know. I wish I could just be a kid again and just like enjoy. Like, I remember when I was a kid, I used to love like when Santa used to come, you know, I actually couldn't sleep. I just want to be like that again. You know, when you're just not, when you've been exposed to so much in life, life is just not what it used to be. And it's sad because everyone should have an innocence in, you know, the innocence of life. When that gets drained away, it's horrible. And I think kids, it's very important that kids remain kids and they don't try to grow up too fast, and they just enjoy being a kid and enjoy, you know, not knowing anything. Because once you know too much, guys, there's no going back. It's sad. Anyway, I hope you like my nails. I love them. Thank you so much for watching my video and my, you know, my YouTube videos. I've had a lot of, like I said, about the 10K video. That video took me years, not years. It took me hours to produce and edit, and I love that video. We just need to get more views on it. It's not got the views it needs, but thank you so much for all your love and support. I love you all. I really do. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. I can't believe how vile these were. That's not okay. I was really looking forward to these.